Say hanzi pana New Alliance Zimbabwe. This is handle is run by Team Kasukuwere. They say imiwe Hazvina kumira mushe. The corridors are trembling. Who knew the address for SADC news in Botswana? Never mind the false bravado on the outside. It's burning inside and it won. This is what Team Kasukuwere are saying here. The question is, what is happening? The reason why the people of Zimbabwe are so cautious is because if you look at how the security apparatus operating in Zimbabwe, they look to be in a panic mode. Myself, I don't see any reason why ZANU-PF should be panicking. Why? It's because their president is already president. They claim to have won this election. And they are actually telling us kuti ndova neyese. So the bigger question is, why are they afraid? Why are they looking afraid? Honestly speaking, uriwe wadiwa une chibebi, unotyei. Chibebi ndechako, ndouri kurara nacho, ndouri kuchichengeta, ndouri kuchiitira zvese, uri kutyei. The question is, why are they afraid? And the answer is, if you have stolen something with a tracker, it's difficult for you to actually stand still or pretend as if nothing happened, because chinosvika pakubatwa, chinosvika pakutsvagwa chonzi aiwa chiri pano. Saka chinosvika pakubvundunurwa pese pese kusvika chawanika. The elections which happened in Zimbabwe, it's not about being an opposition person. It's about being a Zimbabwean with integrity. Any reasonable person would agree that the election which happened was not an election. It can't be called a credible election. And vanhu vese vane pfungwa chaidzo chaidzo sedzevanhu, they would advocate for a fresh election. So let me just look for hanzi panapa. There we go for the address for SADC HQ in Botswana. Okay. Let me go to the comments and see. So hanzi panapa, I'm praying for HH every single minute, for God to protect and guide him and give him wisdom to stand up and be counted as a true African leader. God save Zimbabwe from ZANU-PF. It is well. Mnangagwa, Idi must go to save Zimbabwe. Okay. Other contributions, you always sell empty bags with air. I shudder to think of the outcome when you meet Ibo Mandasa. Why are all prophecies never materialized? What's wrong with you? Okay, let's put pressure. Zapu is here, comrades. Let's close ranks. And it's ways we are in this space because of your own selfishness. Give me one reason who felt like it was not worth it to deploy your own agents so that they can work with CCC Zimbabwe. You guys are just too selfish. You are wasting your time. This is another contribution. SK vibe ramnaro, I believed, but later realized pamupacho mnenge musina kana plan kana news se apa mati. We will get there. Okay, KS mave kumarinata chicken pa brai. Okay, pari kupisa here. So Team Zimbabwe hatisi kuziva. Vana Kasukuwere varongoti hanzi pari kupisa. Hatisi kuziva kuti pari kupisa pai. So we continue to watch and we continue to look and see what is going to happen next. My prayer is that the people of Zimbabwe are protected, especially CCC candidates and agents. I just pray that they are protected, because the information at hand suggests that they are not safe, and we continue to pray for their safety and that God preserves them.